So starting with exercise 2.2. First question is find the product of. You have to find the product of 7 upon 15 and 5 upon 35. So just copy down the question as it is. 7 upon 15 multiplied by 5 upon 35. Now if in case anything can be cancelled out, कुछ भी कैंसिल आउट हो सकता है, तो यू ऑलवेज कैंसिल आउट न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. यू नेवर कैंसिल आउट न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. ऑलवेज कैंसिल आउट न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. चाहे फ्रैक्शन का ही न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल आउट हो रहा हो तो उसे कर सकते हैं, या तो एक फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर दूसरे फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर कैंसिल आउट हो रहा है तो उसे भी कर सकते हैं, मगर न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से कैंसिल आउट नहीं कर सकते. ओके. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So what is left? 1 into 1. Numerator में 1 into 1 and denominator में 3 into 5 is left. So 1 1s are 1, 3 5s are 15. So the product of 7 upon 15 and 5 upon 35 is 1 upon 15. Next question is 3 whole 1 upon 6 multiplied by 15 upon 16. So 3 whole 1 upon 6 multiplied by 15 upon 16. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 19 upon 6 multiplied by 15 upon 19. Now see if anything can be cancelled out. 19 1s are 19. 19 1s are 19. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So 1 into 5 is left in the numerator and 2 into 1 is left in the denominator. 1 5s are 5, 2 1s are 2. So 5 upon 2 is a improper fraction, so we will convert it into mixed. So it will be 2 whole 1 upon 2. Next is 7 upon 35 multiplied by 25. So one is fraction, one is whole number. So just multiply as we do it normally. 7 upon 35 multiplied by 25. 7 1s are 7. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. So what is left? 1 into 5 upon 1. So 1 5s are 5 upon 1. Okay. Any number with denominator 1. If any number is having, after calculation, any number has the denominator 1, we never write that denominator. Okay. So 5 upon 1 is right, but we will in the next step we'll write it as just 5. Okay. So this 5 does not have any denominator, but if we need it, it will always have the denominator 1. Any number not which is not having the denominator always has a denominator which is 1. Next question is 15 whole 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 whole 5 upon 8. So write it down. 15 whole 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 whole 5 upon 8. Now changing it into improper fraction. 15 3 is 45 plus 1, 46 upon 3 multiplied by 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 5 21 upon 8. Cancel it out. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So nothing else can be cancelled out now. So 23 into 7 upon 1 into 4. 23 into 7 is 161 upon 1 4s are 4. Convert it into mixed fraction. So we'll do the division. 4 4s are 16. 1 will be carried down, and then since 1 can't be divided by 4, so we take it 0 times. So 40 is the question. So 40 whole 1 upon 4 is the final answer. Next question is you have to find the product, and now you have to find the product using this of. So 3 upon 8 of 112. 3 upon 8 of 112 means in the next step, in place of we will write what? Multiplication sign. So 3 upon 8 multiplied by 112. Now it is normal question as question number 1. Just calculate it. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, then 32, 4 8s are 32, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. So what is left? 3 into 14 upon 1. 14 3s are 42 upon 1. So final answer is 42. Next is 5 upon 6 of a year. 5 upon 6 of a year. So just copy down the question. Now 1 year is equal to how many days? 365. So in place of a year we can also write 365 days. So 5 upon 6 of 365 days. Now change the sign of off. So that will be 5 upon 6 multiplied by 365 days. Nothing can be cancelled out. So just multiply 5 and 365. You will get 1825 upon 6 and then convert it into a mixed fraction. So 6 3s are 18. Then 2 will be there, since 2 can't be divided by 6, so 0 times, then 25, 6 4s are 24, 1 left, so 1 would be your numerator upon 6. Then next question is 1 upon 7 of a week. Now again, how many days are there in a week? 1 week is equals to 7 days. So in place of a week we can write 1 upon 7 of 7 days. So 1 upon 7, in place of we write multiplication sign. 7 days, 7 ones are 7 ones are. So final answer is 1 into 1, that is 1 day. Next question is simplification. You have to do what? Just simplification. So now 3 fractions would be given. You can multiply 3 fractions or 2 fractions or 4 fractions. All you have to follow is the simple method. They are done in the same way as we calculate 2 fractions. Okay, so your question is 12 upon 45 multiplied by 9 upon 60 multiplied by 15 upon 18. Okay, so let us start with the calculation work. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, फिर 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Okay, 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Then what is left? Okay, yeah, it will also be cancelled by 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 8s are 16. Okay, so what is left is 1 into 1 into 1 in the numerator upon 1 into 8 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1 upon 1 8s are 8, 8 ones are 8. So 1 upon 8 is the final answer. Next question is 7 whole 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 whole 2 upon 15 multiplied by 3 whole 1 upon 9. So just write down the question as it is, then convert it into improper. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 upon 2 multiplied by 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 2 32 upon 15 into 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28 upon 9. Now see if anything can be cancelled out. 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15, then 2 1s are 2, 2 14s are. Okay, 9 and 32 can be cancelled out. So what we write? 32 into 14 upon 9. Okay, 14 2s are 28, 2 ka 8, 14 3s are 42 plus 2 44 upon 9. Now convert it into mixed fraction. That would be 9 5s are 45, so it will go 4 times. 9 4s are 36. Okay, 8 is left, 88, that would be, so 9 9s are 81. So 88 minus 81 is 7 upon 9. So the final answer would be 49 whole 7 upon 9. Now your next question is your story problem. The story problem says that there is a cardboard, square cardboard, and length of each side of square cardboard is 3 whole 5 upon 6 meter. You have to find the perimeter of the square cardboard. So the formula for perimeter of square cardboard is 4 multiplied by the side. What is the side? 3 whole 5 upon 6. So just side 3 whole 5 upon 6 in place of side. So the equation would be 4 multiplied by 3 whole 5 upon 6. Now convert 3 whole 5 upon 6 into improper fraction. So that would be 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 into 23 upon 3 is left. 2 into 23 is 46 upon 3. Now convert it into mix. So 3 1s are 3, 1 is left, that would be 16. 3 5s are 15, 1 is left. 1 upon 3 is a 15 whole 1 upon 3 meter is the perimeter of square cardboard. Okay, next question is that there are 2 boys and their weight is given. Weight of Ritvik is 70 whole 1 upon 2 kg and weight of Sahil is not given exactly, it is just given that the weight of Sahil is 2 whole 1/2 times of Ritwik. मतलब ऋत्विक का वेट जो भी है, ऋत्विक का वेट जो exactly is given, बट जो भी वेट है ऋत्विक का उसका 2 whole 1/2 टाइम्स है. जैसे कि अगर आपके पास 10 रुपीज़ हैं और आपके ब्रदर के पास आपसे डबल पैसे हैं, तो डबल मतलब कि जितना आपके पास है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. तो वैसे ही जितना वेट ऋत्विक का है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस. सो एक्चुअल वेट ऑफ साहिल कैलकुलेट करना है. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट द वेट ऑफ साहिल, ये बस ये बता रहे हैं कि कितना ज़्यादा है. तो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए व्हाट वील डू, to calculate the actual weight of Sahil, what we'll do 2 whole 1/2 times of weight of Ritwik. That is 2 whole 1/2 of weight of Ritwik था क्या 70 whole 1/2. In place of you write multiplication and convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 2 whole 1/2 would be 2 to the 4 plus 1 5/2 multiplied by 7 to the 70 to the 140 plus 1 141. So nothing can be cancelled out, just multiply 5 and 141, you will get 705, and 2 to the 4 in denominator. So the final answer is 705/4. Now it is a improper fraction converted into mixed. Answer would be weight of Sahil would be 176 whole 1/4 kg. Your next question is that cost of 1 kg potato is given 10 whole 1/2 kg rupees. Cost of 1 kg onion is given 6 whole 1/4 rupees. You have to find the cost of 1 whole 1/2 kg of potatoes and cost of 2 whole 1/5 kg of onions. Okay, 1 kg का cost is given और इतने kg potato and onions का cost निकालना है. So as you already know that if cost of 1 is given और ज़्यादा का निकालना होता है, 1 is given and you have to find the cost of more items, what we do, we multiply. Cost of 1 kg potato was given, we have to find the cost of 1 whole 1/2 kg of potato. 1 kg का पता है, ज़्यादा kg का निकालना है, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 10 whole 1/2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 whole 1/2. Just simply change it into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it would be 21/2 multiplied by 3/2. Nothing can be cancelled out, so 21 into 3 is 63, 2 2s are 4. 63/4 is the final answer, but it is in improper fraction, so we'll convert it into mixed. 15 whole 3/4 kg rupees, rupees 15 whole 3/4. Now if we also have to find cost of 2 whole 1/5 kg of onions, again cost of 1 kg onion was given in the question, or cost of 2 whole 1/5 kg of onions we have to find out. 1 का पता है, ज़्यादा का निकालना है. What we'll do, multiply. So multiply 6 whole 1/4 by 2 whole 1/5. Mixed form में given है, convert change it into improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25/4 multiplied by 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11/5. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Nothing else can be cancelled out, so 5 into 11 upon 4 into 1. 5 into 11 is 55. 4 1s are 4. Now convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 13 whole 3/4. So cost of 1 whole 1/2 kg of potato is 15 whole 3/4, and cost of 2 whole 1/5 kg of onion is 13 whole 3/4 rupees. In the next question, you have to find you have to calculate the difference between these two expressions. So first expression is 2.5 of 35 meter. So this is a simple expression. 2.5 of, in place of replace of by multiplication. So that would be 2.5 multiplied by 35. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. You will get 14 meter. And next expression is 2.7 of 42, replace of by multiplication. So 2.7 multiplied by 42, 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. So what is the final answer? 2 into 6, 12 meter. All you have to do is find the difference of the two answers. So 14 meter minus 12 meter, answer is 2 meter. Easy question. Okay, next question is that there is a school which has total 540 students. Okay, students means both girls and boys. Out of those students, the fraction of girls, okay, exact number is not given, fraction is given. That fraction of girls is 7/12. So we have to find the number of boys in the school. So for finding the number of boys, what can we do? We can do total students minus number of girls, but we don't know number of girls. We know, what do we know? We know fraction of girls. So first of all, we are going to find how many girls are there. Number of girls we'll find out. So how many girls are there? 7/12 of total students. जितने भी बच्चे थे उसका 7/12 पार्ट गर्ल्स थी. तो फ्रैक्शन की हेल्प से हम नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स कितनी है एग्जैक्टली वो निकालेंगे. तो 7/12 ऑफ 540 रिप्लेस ऑफ बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 6 2 ज़ा 12, 6 9 ज़ा 54 and 6 0 ज़ा 0. Then 2 1 ज़ा 2, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 5 ज़ा 10. So 45. So final answer is 7 into 45. 315 girls are there in the school. अब अगर नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ निकालने हैं सो ईजी हो जाएगा. नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ इज टोटल स्टूडेंट्स माइनस नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स इज 540 माइनस 315. माइनस कर लिया, माइनस करके आंसर आया 225. सो टोटल 225 बॉयज़ आर देयर. ओके, फ्रैक्शन जो दिया हुआ है वो गर्ल्स नहीं है, गर्ल्स का फ्रैक्शन है. कितनी गर्ल्स हैं एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं दिया हुआ. एग्जैक्ट नंबर हम फ्रैक्शन की हेल्प से निकालेंगे. पहले हमने गर्ल्स निकाल ली, कैलकुलेट कर ली, उसके बाद टोटल स्टूडेंट में से गर्ल्स माइनस कर दो तो जो बचेंगे वो बॉयज़ ही होंगे. सो दैट वुड बी ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. If there is any doubt, you can always ask.